YouTube, what's up? Shishana number 1 here. Checking in with another break. We got a Topps Finest 2011. We have Shishana number 2 here to break the outside box.
Okay, this is hard to break. Let's do it from the top here.
I love it took a lot of effort.
Yeah. Woo!
Alright. Checklist. Piece. We got too many boxes. Gonna do a little 1-2 slide here. Yes, I love it when that works. So freaking cool. Son of a sea turtle. Alright, that's gonna be his, this is gonna be mine.
Age is 6+.
You need to be 6 years old to break Topps Finest. You sure this is okay for you, Aaron?
Yep.
I am so silly. Here are packs. Here we go. We got Evan Longoria, Prince Fielder, X-Fractor of Hanley Ramirez, numbered out of Due Nuove, $2.99, and Kevin Youkilis and Zach Britton, rookie. A-okay. Next pack. We have Tsuyoshi Nishioka, Brandon Beachy, Ben Revere, Mike Moustakas, and Felix Hernandez. That's a rookie hot pack. Swagger Monkeys. We might have something special in here. And again, we might not. Prince Fielder, Tsuyoshi Nishioka, Brandon Beachy, Jerry Sands, Dylan G. That is definitely a hit, so that's going to be saved for the very end. No, I'm doing it right now. If I had that kind of self-control, guys, you wouldn't be watching me open baseball cards on YouTube. Okay, I saw it was an autograph. It was definitely an autograph. Ryan Braun, Chipper Jones, Jake McGee, Cliff Lee, and a refractor of D. Gordon. Nice. I am very fond of D. Gordon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Be careful.
Numbered out of $4.99. Very nice. Very, very fancy. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to breathe on video. Stop it, Aaron. Everyone's gonna unlike this video, or dislike, or hate me, and shoot me and come to my house and be upset at me. Alright, we got JP Arancibia, Freddie Freeman, Alex Cobb, Miguel Cabrera, and Jason the Hay Kid Hayward. Doe. I'm gonna get this final pack of Finest for me. We got Jared the Jared Weaver, Roy Halladay, Finest Moments, J. Hay Kid, Tim Lincecum, and Mike Stanton. Alright. I am very satisfied that D. Gordon beats everything else that we've done in these past few breaks that are all great.
D. Gordon is good. We already have one, don't we? Okay, guys.